Hey ninjas, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn two very important basics of JavaScript: expressions and operators. So, let's get started. In JavaScript, an expression is anything that produces a value. It can be a simple value like a number, a string, or something more complex. Here, 10 is an expression, and x plus 5 is also an expression, because both give us values. Remember, a full instruction is a statement, and the value in that statement is an expression. Now, let's move on and learn about operators. Operators are special symbols in JavaScript that use values, our expressions, to make new results. Here in this example, the plus operator adds the two values, and greater than operator compares the two values. In JavaScript there are many operators, but don't worry, they're grouped into categories, so it's easier to learn. Now let's look at each category one by one with examples. Arithmetic operators are used for basic math calculations. Now, here in this code, I used the plus operator between A and B. So JavaScript adds these two values, 10 plus 20, and prints the result 30. They are used to do basic math calculations. And these all are arithmetic operators. You can try others and practice them. And assignment operators are used for assign or update values in variables. Here, I used the plus equals operator. This means take the current value of C and add 2 to it. So the result becomes 7. That's how assignment operators work. They are used to assign or update values in variables. These are all assignment operators. If you want, you can try the others yourself to see how they work. Comparison operators compare values and give back true or false. Here in this example, I used the greater operator between x and y. It checks if x is greater than y. Since 15 is greater than 10, it prints true. They compare values and always give back true or false. These are all comparison operators. You can try the others yourself and practice them. Logical operators are used to work with values that are either true or false, which are also known as Boolean values. In this example, I used the AND operator. It only returns true if both conditions are true. Since is adult is true but has ID is false, the result is false. Another I used the OR operator. It returns true if at least one condition is true. Here, since is adult is true, the result is true even though has ID is false. The ternary operator is a shortcut for writing simple if-else decisions in JavaScript. Here, I used the ternary operator. It checks the condition age greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, it prints allowed. Otherwise, it prints not allowed. Since age is 18, that's why it print allowed. It's a shortcut for simple if-else decisions. Now jump over to javascriptninjas.com and work through 5 practice exercises based on this lesson. Remember, you can run and submit your code and click Reveal Answer if you get stuck. Now you are ready for conditional statements.